Hello students, in this video I will teach you that how you can place the images and other supported documents in Adobe InDesign. So click on file and then click place, or you can also use keyboard shortcut key Ctrl+D. Then I have this image in my desktop, so click here and open, and then you can see InDesign will ask you like where you want to place in the document. Like here we want, so we will click there and you can see image has been placed, and there is a frame also we can see with this image. We can also place other supported documents. For example, if I open Microsoft Word, and a blank document if I create, and I will type here like my name is Umar Bhatt and I am a computer teacher and I live in Pakistan. For example, you save this document like in desktop, and the name of document is this. Now in InDesign again we can click Ctrl+D, and you can see we can also is already in use by other applications, so we will close this one. Now Ctrl+D, and you can see now we can place this document, and we have placed that Word file in InDesign, because if you click Ctrl+D here in the compatible files, you can see these extensions we can place in Adobe InDesign. So in this video, like I have explained about how we can place the images and other supported documents. In next video we will proceed other things. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn new things. Thank you very much.